Demonstration of mobile issue and e-purse top-up. Case description: after post-issue of a product through a mobile device by online, it is available to load it and inquire transaction details. Passengers execute the T-Money app installed in mobile. The app could have a local or global brand name such as Soul Transport or Visa PayWave. And if they request to issue prepaid product through over-the-air, the prepaid product will be issued on the mobile right away. To top up the balance on the mobile prepaid, passengers can choose the either way of payment, mobile or credit card. Of course, since the mobile is prepaid, they can top up the balance on offline such as bus and metro station, or convenience store. Transaction information of issue and top-up will be transmitted to issuer's card management system through AFC Management system. When all process is done, passengers can get on the bus using the mobile as a transport payment media. Demonstration of fare product post-issue. Case description: offline issue at a terminal by registering pass product is done by action list. In this case, it performs pass post-issue, including pass update information, and pass transaction process. Usually, transport operators would like to have various fare products to meet the various customers' needs. There are 1-day, 3-day, monthly cards and many others. In this case, customer is trying to load 100 pass on his or her card. After customer's request on the website, the request information will be automatically noticed to AFC Management system. And then, AFC Management system will transmit the action list of pass issuance information to the merchant device. In this case, it's reload device. Of course, the device has to have an action script which can read the action list. And the action list will have an information such as card number, type of fare product, number of counts of pass, valid date, and etc. When the merchant device transmit the process result to downloaded action list, now the device is ready to issue the fare product to the customer. The customer goes to the merchant and tag on his or her card on the device, and then, 100 pass will be loaded on the card right away. From now on, the card has previous card function, e-purse, and new fare product, 100 pass. The fare product issuance information is transmitted to issuer's card management system. And the customer can use the pass on a bus or metro. The issuing fare products on a mobile is also possible through OTA, over the air. Demonstration of changing fare policy. Case description: in this case, the fare policy is changed from the $1 to $2 of flat fare system. Now, I'm going to show you how easily the system can change the fare policy. In previous systems, they needed to develop and upgrade whole system and programming inside to apply even small changes. Let's assume that fare amount is subject to be changed from $1 to $2. Before changed, the system charges $1 for single fare. And the bus operator or local government are trying to charge $2 from next month. Operation manager will set up the new fare policy and input the parameters for that. After setting up the application date of new fare policy, the system and all devices will be applied to it automatically. The manager can choose specific devices or operators which will be applied the new fare policy. After downloading the script file of new fare policy, the bus devices will transmit the process results of system change on device to AFC Management system. And when the predefined application date reaches, the bus device will charge $2 instead of $1. Since the operation information changes are implemented based on action script and action list, it is beneficial not only to apply it quickly and efficiently, but also save a lot of operation and maintenance cost rather than previous one. Demonstration of acceptance of new card. Case description: the policy is change the system to accept new card for passengers' convenience. A way of applying acceptance of new card is similar to changing fare policy. It is based on action scripts and action lists. Let's assume that we only accept a T-Money card at initial stage of system. And now, the bus operator are going to accept new open-loop cards such as PayWave and PayPass. It could be other closed-loop card, also. A manager of bus operator will prepare the action script of new card which includes their business rules. If the script files are uploaded in batch process, it will be automatically transmitted to bus devices at a predefined time. After all process results are transmitted to AFC Management System and General Acquiring System, passengers can use the new card in the system. Demonstration of wireless and remote control. Wireless communicated and remotely controlled management, we call it WR system, is one of the major features in the AFC management system, which enables the system can save lots of maintenance cost and give near real-time card control. In a maintenance perspective, we expect that the WR system could save the maintenance cost up to 70% of total. Based on our experiences, about 80% of error or fault of devices can be fixed just by rebooting of the devices. Since the remote control of devices is possible, while not allocating human resources, it's a lot efficient and fast way compared to previous system. To make this realize, all devices are connected wireless, even in the vehicle, and can be monitored from the central system. Since our devices are very stable and reliable, errors doesn't occur often. However, let's assume it happens for the demonstration. Within 15 seconds after the error occurrences, the manager can detect it automatically through the central system. And to fix it, the only thing you need to do is just clicking reboot button in the screen. And then, the information of reboot request will be transmitted to the device, and the device will be rebooted automatically. During the error occurrence of one device, others in the vehicle still can be operated normal so that passengers can use the system always. Demonstration of card risk management. As mentioned in the previous slide, one of major functions of the WR system is for near real-time card control, which is much better to accept open-loop cards. In previous systems, the transaction data and operation information are transmitted with the central system daily basis. Thanks to the WR system, the system can control and manage the risk of cards almost real-time basis. So, blocking stolen or lost card by customers' requests can be implemented very quickly. In this case, one passenger is going to block his or her lost card. The only thing you need to block it is just uploading the action list of blocking card information to the devices via wireless communication. After downloading the blacklist to all devices, the lost card will not be permitted in the system, so that the passenger can save his or her account linked to the card, or balance in the card. The communication cycle between the central system and devices will be decided by local infra environment and their policies. And we are considering that maximum of the cycle will not be over 15 minutes.